Angela and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to share my story how I lose my weight from 62 kgs to 50 kgs. So let's get started. So basically at that time I was in 7th grade and we had summer holidays about 15 or 20 days. So our sports teacher has organized summer camp and he was telling everybody that you should work on your fitness and all these kind of things. And we had a really fat girl in our class and she was like really healthy, and my sports teacher told him that you should work on your fitness and you should at least reduce 15 to 20 kgs, like try to do it in 1 year or maybe 1.5 years. So he was telling him about that, and he just told me that, Angela, you should also work on your fitness and like you are also a little bit of healthy. So at that point I was really hurt that he told me that I'm fat or like I'm healthy, even though I was, but to be honest I didn't admit it at that time. So I came home and I told my parents that my sir called me that I am fat or I'm healthy and I should really work on my fitness. So even though my parents were agreed, they said that you should really work on it. You are fat, like you look little bit of healthy. You should reduce your weight in these 15 or 20 days. You should really work on yourself. So at that point I was hurt too, but then I really realized that I am, and I just scrolled my gallery and I see my pictures and I just realized that I have gained a lot of weight. At that time I was 62 kgs in 7th grade. So honestly it's not good, even though I am 5'3" in height. But then I started exercise from the starting of my summer vacations. I didn't join that camp because I know that I can work on myself by doing by myself. I don't need a coach or something. So I reduced my fast food. I just don't eat fatty foods. I start doing exercise. Actually I start doing skipping really helps. It just reduce weight so fast. So I usually do 50 to 60 skips once, and then I just improved my skipping things, and now I can skip at least 80 or 90 in once. So I reduced 2 or 3 kgs in 10 days. Then I reduced so much that my teachers was asking me that, Angela, are you fine? Are you okay? What happened to you? Like my body was really shrinked. You can say it was shrinked. And then I started losing weight, and I have seen myself in 50 kgs. I have literally seen from 62, I have reduced my weight to 60 to 50 kgs. And it happened in 3 or 4 months, and I just felt so good and I feel so light at that time. I feel that one moment has actually changed myself. I have changed my thinking, I have changed myself and my body, and I also feel like energetic and I feel very light. And everybody was asking and just telling me that, Angela, now you look really fit and nice, your body is really healthy and good. And my waist size was 32, but at that time it reduced to 29. So I was very happy, and I was good that that self motivation is really important, and working on yourself, working on your health is really important. I wanted to thank that teacher so much. Bye. Actually, I didn't tell them this story because like I was a little bit shy that how can I just tell. It was a little bit of that embarrassing also. But my teachers was very happy and they were appreciating that you have achieved something, because reducing your weight is something that's hard, and nobody has that guts to stop eating junk food and stop eating that ghee and that oily things. But I didn't reduce it so much. I have it like once in a week or twice in a week. But I exercise for half an hour every day. First of all, I was just doing it twice a day, like once in the morning, once in the evening for half an hour. But then I thought that, you know, one time is okay, I don't need to do it 2 times. Then I started doing exercise at the evening for half an hour or 45 minutes. I skip a lot and I do just, hand exercises. So it really helps me in reducing my weight. Now also I think I have gained a little bit of weight, and I think I'll, get motivated and also start doing and exercising, and I'll surely reduce more my weight. I think the best, like according to the chart, like if I am 5'3", my weight should be around 50 or 45, like not more than 50. But actually now I have gained, like during lockdown, I have gained 3 or 4 kgs. I'll surely reduce this weight also, and I'll keep motivating myself. And I also want to thank that teacher once again. Thank you so much for the motivation. So one thing was very memorable, like my Hindi teacher called me, like I was going to dance room and he called, Anshul, what happened to you? You are so slim now, what happened? Are you okay? And I told him that, I started doing exercise and I reduced my fatty foods, and he was also very happy. And he, asked me for tips that how, Angela, you reduce your weight. And I also want to thank that teacher. Thank you so much, sir. Just because of you, I have, lose so much of weight. And sometimes I feel when I get pinched, when I get hurt, sometimes it really affects my mentality. And I just felt that, when someone's told you something, that will change your mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and also get inspired from my story. Thank you. And I know that you will forget to subscribe and like my video. So I'm just reminding you. Bye. Even though all of you I'm पहले नहीं मेरे साथ दिक्कत हो गई क्या सही नहीं बीच में कुछ नहीं इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता यार, इतना तो कोई सही नहीं होता। तो think इतना कोई सही होता, थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक तो बोलने में ऐसे सभी से हो जाती है। चल फिर मैं वो जो इंट्रो बोलती है उसके बाद वाला स्टार्ट करती हूँ, ठीक है? सोचा हुआ है बट ना पता अच्छा ही लगता, बार-बार कट लग जाए मुझे एक ही बार में चलेगी नहीं, कट लगने में ठीक है। चलो ठीक है, मैं हाफ स्टोरी बताती, फिर रिलैक्स करके इस बता के फिर करती हूँ। One thing I remember, my Hindi teacher, asked me that, Angela, what happened to you? Are you okay? Why you have so like gained? Lose बोला था gained. इसे बोलनी है हमारी एक वीडियो होगी।